Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to transcode a GoToMeeting video from the GoToMeeting codec to a playable WMV file capable of being uploaded to YouTube or Vimeo or any of the other file sharing sites. So first thing we need to do is find our video file. So I have one here on my Z folder. And here's our file. And so what we need to do is transcode this. Because we didn't want GoToMeeting to transcode it at the time, we're going to do it after the fact. And that way other people than Windows people with the GoToMeeting codec can play the file, such as Macs and such. And also I mentioned if you upload it to anywhere like YouTube or the Ensemble server or the media distribution server we're working on, you may have to transcode it to upload it to those systems. So first of all, we're going to go to this website, and I'm going to have it on notebook here. Here's the website. So it's https://citrix.sharefile.com/d/s2caf90209D41629. I know it's a lot right there, and we're working on a place to put the file other than Citrix's own file share. Once you go to that site, and I'll have this in the show notes as I share the video, you're going to see this link here. It says GoToMeeting Transcode Wizard Zip. So we're going to head and download that. And you can see it's downloaded here. And of course, if you have Internet Explorer, you're going to have to save file. Firefox, save file. I'm using Google Chrome right now. So anything downloaded comes up down here in the download bar. So we're going to look at the folder, which is our downloads folder. And you can see I've downloaded this twice. So here it is. And we're just going to right click and extract files to GoToMeeting Transcode Wizard 1. What that does is that unzips the file and puts the folder named the zip file name, in this case GoToMeeting Transcoding Wizard (1), and puts the files down here in, as you can see, its own folder. So if we go in the folder, you can see it has a Transcoding Wizard exe. So we're just going to double click on that, and it opens up this little window here. And all we have to do is click on File and find the file we want to transcode. And of course that's on the Z drive. And then whatever folder you made, I put it in the GoToTraining folder. And then here's our file. And we're going to go ahead and hit Open. And then we're going to hit Start. The bigger the file, the more time this will take. This is a small file for the purpose of this video. But as you can see, it doesn't take very long. I did a 30-minute video, and it took about 2 minutes. So not too long at all. Just wait for that to finish up. Now what this is doing is it's removing the GoToMeeting codec from the video and making it a more straightforward Windows Media file. As you can see, it replaced the file. And so we can go ahead and close the Transcode Wizard. And we can go ahead and close this window. And now if we go to where I had the file, you can see the file size changed and the date modified changed to about a minute ago. And so what we're going to do is we're going to upload this file to YouTube. And so I'm going to keep this open. I go to my YouTube account. I'm going to click on Upload. And I'm going to go back to where I had the file. And I'm just going to drag the file over here. Now, as I said, you have to transcode the file to upload to YouTube. Under the setting for the GoToTraining recording, you can tell it to save in a WMV file, but it transcodes after you close the classroom or meeting down, which means an hour-long class could take 20 minutes to transcode that way. This is much faster, and you can do it on your work computer, home, wherever you've got the file and the transcode program. So you can see my upload is complete. I'm going to add a tag here, and I'm simply going to tag it by the username. And my user on YouTube is SPSU test teacher 1. Public settings. And if I click on Video Manager, you can see I've got both videos here. And if I click on this one just real quick, it'll start playing. And I can go to here and share the video. Here is the link that I would use if I was going to put this in D2L, email, a PowerPoint presentation, anything like that. And so that's where I would get this file. Also, you can embed. And so this is the embed code if you like embedding code in your D2L programs or classrooms. I usually just go with the share the file code, and that should take them to this YouTube page and start playing the video. And that's how you transcode a video and upload it to YouTube. I'm also going to put this recording of this training session on my YouTube channel as well as an Echo 360 channel. So we're going to stop the meeting. So once again, this is Patrick Fisk with training on how to transcode a GoToTraining session to turn it into a regular WMV file. Thank you.